Hello everyone, welcome back to the littleGasthaus. Today we are starting at the very beginning. This is the first BBQ box I ever built. It is 13 years old now. I want to show it to you, not because it is perfect, but because it is where I started. We can learn more from the mistakes and the ideas that did not quite work. So let us take a look. First time grilling in a BBX box ever. This first box was sitting directly on the ground. I had no fire on the bottom. Inside the box I had a small pan in the bottom for sawdust with a piece of hot charcoal for smoking. But it did not work well, so I had to change it. I removed the bottom and raised the whole box up a little bit. You can see it is all sheet metal on the side, at the bottom and the back. Now look at these screws. These are just cheap ones made from simple yellow steel. They worked fine at the beginning. I was happy with it. But here is a problem. Too much open floor lets out too much heat, so the box is too cold inside. This is my way to close the door. With the rope, I can also hold the door open. Another issue was heat. There was too little heat reaching the very bottom of the pan. Why? Because the ash would fall through the hole of the expanded metal mesh ash, and they acted like a kind of insulation. Then I came up with the idea of inspaking the grate out and removing the ash. For that, you need welding gloves or grips on the mesh. The new mesh I put in later worked better for a while, but over time, all these mesh ashes, they rust out, especially when they get wet. They become very rusty. And this baking pan, it is a steel pan. I used 7 pieces of steel pan to use it, but I do not use this kind of steel anymore. I do not think the baking pan steel is very good. So the new box we will build together will be different. I will use a different, better material for the frame and pan stands. The frame is made of 7-layer plywood, very stable but not permanently waterproof. So what did I learn from this first box 13 years ago? I learned about airflow. I learned about using the right materials that can handle the heat and the weather. I learned that every problem has a solution, if you are willing to try. This first box was a great teacher. It showed me the way forward. In the next video we will look at the second version. We will see how I try to fix these problems. So this last one I built thin material, plywood, high quality. And there are aluminum rails for the pans. The more, the finer I can regulate temperature. And I got different heights of the sides to protect against wind. So that would be the lower coal pan. There's good insulation to the side, so it's not getting too hot with the wood. It's never had any problems so far, but you never know. Okay, the racks, you got a lot of possibilities. That's the most down part. It's more for grilling beef roast and stuff like that. usually you got the coal pan on top with an extra rack and a few inches above the coals. Okay, that's the old coal pan I put on the bottom just to show how that works. That would be the regular height of smoking and barbecue. And you got a drip pan underneath. And on the side we got space, a little space on the short side of the pan. So if there's some heat passing by, and also the smoke. If you smoke, you need some smoke gaps. That's all. Also why the screws are there. The sides are open a little bit, not only to protect the sides, but also letting the smoke through to the top. And that side is closed. If you push it over, the other side opens for the smoke. So the outsides, the higher sideboards, will also contain reels or screws to put the racks in for the grilling on top. There will be two different layers, so you got different heights you can choose from.
These are boards I have used to build the smoke box, but they're good for that kind of project. And I'm not sure. I don't know if there are ones like this in the US. I would think so, because they're got the certain thickness, so good insulation compared to that one. This is 3/4 of an inch, I guess. And they fit together. And there are no gaps in there. And that's what we need. Okay guys, that was it so far. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video about the smoker box, the barbecue box, whatever you want to call it. It's up to you. So we're gonna start next week building the frame, put everything so far together, and show you how that works. Thanks again. Bye bye.